Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Playland family. 1. Rudram to air-to-surface missile, recently seen in news, is developed by which organization? Answer: DRDO. The Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, successfully flight-tested the Rudram 2 air-to-surface missile from a Su-30 MKI aircraft off Odisha's coast. The test met all objectives, validating its propulsion, control, and guidance systems. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh praised the achievement. The Rudram 2, a solid-propelled missile, enhances the armed forces' capabilities, utilizing advanced DRDO technologies. FICCI organized Cold Chain and Logistics Summit at which place? Answer: New Delhi. The FICCI organized Cold Chain and Logistics Summit in New Delhi to promote collaboration and innovation in India's perishable goods industry. Dr. Surendra Ahirwar of the Ministry of Commerce highlighted the importance of redefining logistics for various sectors, including pharma, food, oil, and flowers. Over 250 delegates from diverse industries are participating, aiming to develop an integrated, sustainable, and efficient cold chain ecosystem. Which Indian space startup successfully launched Agnibaan's suborbital rocket? Answer: Agnikul Cosmos. Indian space startup Agnikul Cosmos successfully launched its first suborbital test vehicle, Agnibaan Sorted, powered by the world's first single-piece 3D printed rocket engine. This milestone, achieved after 4 previous launch attempts, marks the second private startup launch in India and the first from a private launchpad at Sriharikota. Dr. Pavan Goenka hailed the launch as a historic moment for India's space sector. Which ministry recently inaugurated the Summer Fiesta 2024 at the National Bal Bhavan? Answer: Ministry of Education. Shri Sanjay Kumar, Secretary, Department of School Education and Literacy, Ministry of Education inaugurated the Summer Fiesta 2024 at National Bal Bhavan, New Delhi. The month-long camp, from 29th May to 28 June, offers over 30 activities for children aged 5 to 16. Emphasizing the importance of extracurricular activities, Kumar encouraged curiosity and exploration. Workshops include Odissi dance, yoga, calligraphy, and music, providing diverse opportunities for skill development. What is K9 Vajra, recently seen in news? Answer: Self-propelled artillery system. Several key, made in India, defense projects await final approval post-elections, including more K9 Vajra self-propelled howitzers. The K9 Vajra, built by Larsen & Toubro with technology from South Korea's Hamha Defense, is a 155 mm, 52 caliber self-propelled artillery system. It can fire various shells, has all-welded steel armor, and strikes targets up to 50 kilometers away with a burst rate of 3 rounds per 15 seconds. Hosted the International Chess Federation, FIDE, rated chess tournament? Answer: IIT Madras. IIT Madras hosts the 6th Shastra Rapid FIDE rated chess tournament from March 30th to 31st, 2024, in Chennai. It's the sole IIT in India to conduct an annual open rapid rating tournament. Over 35 players from IIT Madras join, alongside international players from countries like Australia, England, America, and Singapore. Notable participants include 6 Grand Masters, 16 International Masters, 3 female Grand Masters, and a woman International Master. What is the name of the Iranian fishing vessel which was recently rescued by Indian Navy from pirates? Answer: AI Kambar. The Indian Navy rescued the Iranian fishing vessel Al-Qambar and its 23 Pakistani crew members from armed pirates in the Indian Ocean under Operation Sankalp. In Sumedha and in Trishul conducted the operation, lasting over 12 hours, about 90 nautical miles southwest of Socotra. The vessel is undergoing checks for seaworthiness. The Socotra archipelago, near the Gulf of Aden, is under Yemen's jurisdiction. Which city is being established by the armed forces as the country's India's first tri-service common defense station? Answer: Mumbai. The armed forces plan to transform Mumbai into India's inaugural tri-service common defense station for the Army, Navy, and Indian Air Force, IAF. This aims at fostering jointness among the services preceding the establishment of integrated theatre commands. Theatrization involves integrating Army, Air Force, and Navy capabilities to optimize resources for warfare. Such commands combine assets from all three services under unified leadership, mirroring practices in major nations like China, Russia, the US, the UK, and France. Vaigai, Mettur, and Papnasham dams, recently seen in news due to water level, are located in which state? Recent news highlighted water levels in several dams including Vaigai, Mettur, and Papnasham. Vaigai Dam in Tamil Nadu serves Madurai's water needs. Mettur Dam, on the Kaveri River, is one of India's largest, with inflows from Karnataka. Papnasham Dam irrigates fields in Tirunelveli and Tuticorin, considered holy due to its association with Lord Shiva. What is AI Hame, recently seen in news? Answer: World's first conversational AI with emotional intelligence. Hame, a New York-based research lab, unveiled the first emotionally intelligent conversational AI named Empathic Voice Interface, EVI. It utilizes live audio input, returning both audio and transcripts with vocal expression measures. Powered by an empathic large language model, ELLM, it understands tones and word emphasis, optimizing human-AI conversations. Trained on human reactions, EVI learns from users to enhance positive expressions. By analyzing speech nuances, it can determine when to speak and generate empathic language. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more video. Thank you for watching.